Okay, hello everyone. So welcome back again to my channel PC Tip. Again, in this video I want to show you how to using the Microsoft Word 2016 for the beginner. In the last video I teach you how to start the program, in the fast and easy way. So in this video we're gonna go to start together again by starting in the search box. You can type word and then it will automatically search in here, so you can click on it and you choose your way by your own document. Here, if you are using your old document before, you can click on the recent document here. Normally in Microsoft Word 2016, the last document that I'm using before, it's always showing you on the tops, and the second time and the third time it's showing from here the following document here. Or if you don't find your document, you can click on open another document and then it will turn to the page. You can browse your document here, and whatever you save, you can find your own document on the past or the try, example in desktop or in documents or in the tries D, or if I save on my network, so for my student I can search here, but it does not connect to my network because now I don't connect it, so you can browse it to your own document. Or I go back here, you can start with the last video, so you have to start with document with a blank document, or you can start with the template here. Okay, so for myself I start with this document. Okay, so in this video we will show you from the first beginning of the startup program. Here it will show you the interface of Microsoft Word 2016 like this. So I'm gonna show you how to start with the interface. So interface, everyone, you already know about the closings, and here restore down and minimize. So close is if you want to close it, or and restore down is you want to make smaller, bigger the program, or if you want to use another program by not closing it, you just minimize it to the taskbar, so you can use by another program like Photoshop or Excel or PowerPoint, something else, or you want to use internet or something else. Whatever you want, you can start with your program here. So you just start it again, you just from here. So the second here, you can know by title bar. In here we call title bar. The title bar, it show you the name of your document. So this is, I am not saving yet, so it's showing like document 2. If I save and put the name here, so it show your name like whatever you save. And Word, it's showing the program you are using, Microsoft Word 2016, like that. And this one here we call the customize access toolbar. In customize, you can add the whatever you want, the comments in the browse comment box here. So you add the comment. It's easy for you, it allow you to access the quick program you want here. Example, if I want to one more open here, Yeah, so it's better I go here, open, or I can start with here, so it go the same. Yeah, it faster, so it calls quick access toolbar. And I can add more quick access toolbar from the more commands. So whatever I want, the tables, I can add, click on add buttons, it will automatically push into this box, and then I click OK, so I can see here. Yeah, or I can go to that again. I can click remove if I want to delete it from the quick access toolbar, and then I click OK. Here it will delete from the quick access toolbar. And the search from here, you can knowing that it is called the menu bar. The menu bar is like, you know, it's the menu. It show you more command. Like if I click on file, it show you how many function like info or new, open, save and save as, print, export and close, something like. And home, it has many toolbar here, so many like fonts, paragraphs, styles. You can apply the style to your paragraph or your text. Yeah, I mean that it is the style of the paragraph, yeah, or the text. And insert, it has many toolbar like illustration, tables, you know, link, comment, header, footers, text, symbol. Yeah, I can get more symbols or like that, or I can go to shape. I can draw something here from here, more shape like, yeah, another shape like arrows. Okay, so many shape are using here. In the next video I will show you how to use it, but for this video just want to show you the interface of the general interface of the Microsoft Word only. Yeah, so in the box here, you can it's a menu bar. Okay, so this white paper, you know, it is called work area. So work area is allow you to work in here in Microsoft Word. When you start for the beginning, it has always with the white paper like that, so you can type your document here, whatever you want, right? You can add your style here, or you can use from here. You can change the size of fonts, yes, the colors of fonts, something like this. And this is about the white page. You can see the rulers. If you're opening the Microsoft Word but you don't find it, you can go to reuse and you tick here untick or untick here. It will show you the ruler. Yeah, the ruler is showing where is your point of starting the document. For example, if I go to tape, I click tape on the keyboard, so it's showing my crosshair here. Yeah, from one tape to second tape, right? It's the same size, yeah, like that. So also I can click the tape assign here. Yeah, if I click here, I can click tape, and then it brings my cursor to where I set on the ruler. Yeah, and I can double click on it and then clear it again. Yeah, we will learn it later on the lesson using the tape. Okay, yeah, so this is the interface of the Microsoft Word. This is a vertical scroll bar, and if I zoom it, it will show you the horizontal scroll bar here. Yeah, so thank you for your watching my video and this video. So thank you. In the next video I want to show you how to learn more about Microsoft Word. So yeah, thank you.